If your Tesla Model S or Model X has a dead 12-volt battery, the electronic door locks won't work. But don't worry, Tesla has manual releases designed for emergencies. For the Model S, you'll need to access the frunk. If the frunk is locked, use your physical key or key card in the manual unlock slot on the door frame. Once the frunk is open, locate the red pull tab or lever inside. Pulling this lever will allow you to disengage the rear seats or doors and get inside. For the Model X, the Falcon Wing doors have a hidden manual release handle on the B-pillar between the front and rear doors. Pull the cord or lever to mechanically unlatch the doors. The frunk release is similar to the Model S, using a red lever to access the cabin. Remember to always consult your owner's manual for the exact location of these releases, as models may vary slightly. The good news is Tesla service centers now offer universal key fobs as a standard accessory, reducing lockouts. Manual door releases are vital safety features in electric vehicles like Tesla's, ensuring you can exit the vehicle even when there's no power. Regulations like NHTSA standards require these overrides for emergency situations. Tesla's engineering team considers manual releases as a last resort safety net, boasting a 99.9% reliability rate in lab tests. While digital keys and phone-based access become more common, manual releases are likely to remain a critical backup. Looking ahead, future enhancements may include biometric access and improved battery redundancy to minimize the need for manual intervention. Experts even predict that AI-assisted diagnostics could alert owners to low battery states via apps, preempting lockouts entirely. In the meantime, familiarizing yourself with the manual release procedures for your Model S or Model X is crucial for peace of mind.